run the thing?
Yeah.
Run it right?
Yeah. I'm almost certain they're losing a hell of a lot of money.
He's hitting that silhouette. And the 3, he's hitting the steel.
Oh, yeah? Hey, I'll see.
Okay, Joe.
Hey guys, Crud Big Rig here, and I want to give a little tip on the Hornady Camlock trim case trimmer. Sorry, I know I'm sound disgusting. I'm sick. I called off work today. I just had to sleep and relax, but I can't not be doing something that kind of drives me crazy. So I wanted to give you guys some advice about trimming brass. When it comes to trimming brass, make sure when you have this adapter, do not push down on the trimmer really hard when you're trimming the case. Push in on the mandrel to make sure it's lined up, lock it down, and then just give a slight amount of pressure. You'll feel it initially vibrate and then it'll become smooth. That means you're done. Do not jam into it, because what you can end up happening is you'll just wear down the case neck, and then all kinds of bad things happen. I'm actually going to trim this whole bag since I'm at it. Getting ready for my next PRS competition. Really easy and really repeatable as long as you do things the same way every single time, which I guess is kind of the hallmark of all precision rifle shooters. But this was kind of my setup for on the cheap. I have a powder dispenser from Chargemaster. It's the Chargemaster Lite, which I've had some success with. I know it has a little bit of drift if you're not careful. I'm not really that anal retentive because I'm just starting out. I don't need, a $500 scale to tell me what the powder charge is. But got that. I have the coax press with your coax dies from Forster. I have a whole bunch of Lapua and Federal brass, so I've been practicing with the Federal because I know the cases aren't up to snuff compared to the Lapua brass. Lapua brass, I think, has more internal volume, which is very advantageous to precision rifle shooting. So the reason why I haven't been shooting the Lapua is because the Federal stuff I have a lot more of, and supposedly you don't get as much service life out of Federal brass. Because apparently the Federal brass is a lot softer. Whereas the Lapua brass, it's nothing to get, 8 to 12 reloads out of. I haven't had any major issues with the Federal yet, but we'll see. The other issue is I think the maximum charge weight for Federal is about 45 grains. Or no, 44 grains is, I think, the max charge weight for Federal. And Lapua, I think you can squeak out about 46 on the full-size rifle primers. Now, you can get Palma 308 from Lapua and their small rifle primers, which I might get into. Now right here, this drill is saving me a lot of time because I would spend an hour just trimming, 50 pieces of brass. Now I can do that in probably about 10 minutes. Which is a real big time saver. Some guys like just drill attached trimmers. I'm not too keen on them just yet. This gives me a little bit more comfort. And it's cheaper. This adapter was, I think, $20, and the overall trimmer, I think, was, I want to say, around $90 or $100. So to get my reloading set up, I think total with even the press, it was around $700 or so, and I'm quickly approaching paying off all of my reloading stuff just in the first few batches of ammo that I've shot. Oh, and something else that's really cool that I'll show you after in a second here. My buddy gave me a whole bunch of ammo from his grandpa. Their original Sierra Bullet Company ammo boxes. They even have, not sure if you can see it here, embossed, printed on the cardboard. It still has that musty old gun shop smell to it. And then you have your Spitzer boat tail 180 grain bullets, as well as the Hornady ones, which are what I'm going to be loading today. They're, again, old school box, and they even have a cantilever in it, which I wasn't even aware that they had cantilevers back then. But yeah, you learn things when you're reloading. So just want to give you guys a quick video. Other than that, I want to ask you guys, what should my name now be on my YouTube channel? Because I'm no longer a big rig. I'm like a half-ton pickup truck now. Maybe even a Ranger. So let me know what you think. I'm going to be competing this weekend at the Penn, Ohio PRS competition. If you see me there, say hi. Call me a jackass. Say that, I don't know what I'm talking about, or, I'm fat or whatever, but fuck off. Till then, see you later.